Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm here to share my new favorite way to organize. These are meshed zippered storage bags. Now these may not look like much, but they are much. I love them. The reason being is there's a lot of versatility. You can store anything in here that will fit. Plus these take up very little space. So I went through my son's closet recently. We were storing lots of things in bins. Bins take up a ton of space. Plus they get disorganized really quickly because bins just end up being a dumping spot for whatever's on the floor is gonna go in the bin. With these, I was able to kind of categorize all of his toys, and as a result, he can find what he wants a lot faster, and it's less cleanup because he only pulls out exactly what he needs rather than an entire bin of random stuff. So I have put toys in here, games, Legos. These are perfect for Legos. They're kind of clear as well. So with the Legos or games, you can put the instructions on the front so you know exactly what's inside. And the thing about these bags is they're kind of thick, which is really nice because they'll stand upright, which makes them easy to organize. So they will sit upright on a shelf. I have some on a bookshelf in the closet as well as the shelf on top of my son's closet. You can put toiletries in here, nail polish, crafts, literally anything that'll fit. This is a fantastic way to organize. These do have different color zippers, so you could categorize things by color if you like. I love them. I'm a huge fan, and I kind of want more. And that's my point of view.